Hi, I'm Austin with Granite State Epoxy. We're in Dracut, Mass at RCC Classics, where my team right now is tearing up an epoxy floor system to get ready to install the new floor system back in the space. Come on in, let's take a look at where the team's at right now. Our client had a flake floor similar to this installed over in Bay A. Our team's finishing up the concrete prep and removal of the old floor system to apply the new floor system and get that floor done and solved for many years to come. The guys are inside finishing up the concrete preparation and epoxy flooring removal on the space to get ready for next week when we're back to apply the new floor system. If you have an epoxy floor you're not happy with, looking to maintain, or you'd like to have one installed, give us a call at Granite State Epoxy. We're happy to help.